Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my first tutorial on Gorilla Tag, and I'm just going to be posting all of Gorilla Tag for now. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to Lucio, because I've seen a lot of people asking me on Gorilla Tag, how do you Lucio Run? Like, how do you Lucio Run? It's becoming a little annoying. Even the Lucio guy who made up the mechanic himself is being pretty annoyed. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Yes, I will be muting everyone. But yeah, let's go. Just like this. Oops, my bad. Just like that. Lucio running is hard. Lucio running is basically one of the hardest mechanic, but I think vertical is one of the hardest, because you have to go like this, like boom, 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 boom. Even I can't do it, and I'm good at Lucio running. But let's go ahead and get to the video. I'm not using mods. I'm actually in Gorilla Tag. Just not currently connected to a room. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first what you want to do is just get on 60 hertz. I'm not going to explain all of that, but you just got to watch Pepsi D's YouTube. He explains it very simply. I don't really edit that much of my videos, but once you're on 60 hertz or you watch the tutorial or something, all you want to do is come to this wall. Really, the reason why you want to come to this wall to Lucio Run is it's way better on this wall to Lucio Run. It's more curved. Like, it just goes up, 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 up. Not like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this wall is way better for you to learning to Lucio Run. This crack is right here. Is way better for you to vert to. You can either go here or here. But I'm not going to be teaching how to vertical in this video today. We're going to be Lucio running in this. So once you want to do Lucio running, you can either start here on this wall or here on this wall. Me, I personally just start here on this wall. And for my warm-up, I go into casual lobbies and then just warm up my Lucio running and stuff, and then branching and all that other crap. And then once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and go inside of infection. But when I think I'm not ready yet, I go back inside of a casual lobby or a private lobby, and I just practice there. So you can practice my warm-up or your warm-up. That actually scared me. If you want to Lucio Run, just the hand motion is you can go like this, like the real Lucio running, and then just out, and then just get progressively faster. Or you could just do it like this, like many other players do. Or you can do it like this. This one is a little bit it's not the same. You're just doing big ones for this one, and then you're doing little ones for this one. So for the big ones, it will look like this. It will be a lot harder, but for the smaller ones, it will look like this. It will be much easier for the smaller ones. And yeah, for the real Lucio running, all you want to do is this. Just want to put this hand right here, stick this hand inside the wall, and just push down. Oh, this hand and then that hand. Oh wait, no, my bad. This hand is to go up. This hand is to go forward. They're just going to go up, push, go up, push, go up, push, and then you just want to get progressively faster with that. Then once you get progressively faster, all you want to do is just my method is a little easier for me. I don't know about you guys, but it's a little easier for me. You can use Lucio's For the Lucio one, I just do circles, big circles. But for mine, I just do little circles like this. I think it's a lot easier, but I just gotta work on going all the way up. But I'm still practicing on the real Lucio, and it's probably a little bit better, but a little harder. You just gotta get loose. Oh my god. You just gotta get used to it. Once you're used to it, you can do any type of Lucio running like this, or this, or this, or you can even try it on the ground. That's a little hard to explain, but yes, you can practice on the ground and pretend you're on the wall. Yeah, so once you think you got it figured out with the ground, you can go ahead and like do this for the ground. You're just going to, because you have to pretend you're on the wall. Yeah, you always want to make sure you're always consistent about it. Because if you're not consistent, you are going to just fall off the wall every time. But if you are consistent, you're going to actually get better at it and stick on the wall. And yes, 60 hertz is a lot better for learning to Lucio Run and go tag. When you're first starting, you do need SideQuest, or you could use a Steam. I don't know if Steam has 60 hertz, but yeah, that's the best I can show you guys. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I hope this tutorial helped you. And yeah, bye.